Talagay mo doon, kunyari X.
This way, please. Thank you.
As well as, of course, the EastWest Bank Board of Directors and Officers led by our Chairman Emeritus Andrew Gutiano, Sr., Director Mercedes T. Gutiano, Chairman Jonathan T. Gutiano, and President and CEO Antonio Magdupa. To formally welcome us today, may I now call on the Chairman of the Philippine Stock Exchange, Mr. Jose Pardo. Let us give him a warm round of applause, please.
Through the years, EastWest Bank has capitalized on the financial strength and synergy from the business organizations under the Philippine Group. As now one of the country's fastest growing banks, this bank is poised to sustain its growth momentum. We wish EastWest Bank all the success as it continues to expand and enhance its business. Thank you for your continued faith and confidence in the Philippine stock market. Good morning.
Today is indeed a milestone in the history of EastWest Banking Corporation in its journey to become a more significant player in the Philippine banking industry. From the time the bank was established in 1994, one of its goals has always been to someday become a publicly listed company with a wider ownership base. We believe as a regulated financial institution accepting depositors' money, we have a fiduciary duty to run our institution prudently and professionally. Listed companies are subjected to more stringent reportorial requirements as well as higher standards of corporate governance and transparency. By deciding to become one, we affirm our commitment to live by these higher standards, which, by the way, we believe would ultimately redound to the benefit of all our stakeholders, not only the depositing public, but also to our customers, employees, shareholders, and the wider community. We would not have reached this point had we not had the trust and support of those same stakeholders. They have kept faith in the bank and all its programs, and today we take the opportunity to thank them. First of all, we would like to highlight the hard work of our co-workers in the bank. Without them, we would not have been able to embark on the transformational growth that we have set for our institution. We would also like to thank our clients for their loyal support all these years. Without them, we won't have a reason to exist. We also value the inspiration and guidance of BSP, the SEC, and the PSE. We believe that working closely with these institutions, we are working towards the same goal of having a strong, progressive, and more inclusive financial system in the Philippines. Our IPO and our district today will give us growth capital to bring EastWest Bank to the next level of its development. We are happy for the enthusiastic and positive response to our IPO, both here and abroad. Given this, we believe that our investors subscribe to and affirm the correctness of our ambitious growth plans. And it gives us much encouragement to pursue them relentlessly. Today, we dedicate ourselves to work hard to achieve all our goals. We are happy also that the nation's fundamentals are positive and conducive for growth. And EastWest Bank will be an active and eager participant in this growth. In closing, EastWest is an institution which has set itself along an ambitious growth plan. In the process, we aim to be a positive force for growth of our employees, of our clients, and of our country. This journey should be challenging and exciting, but the rewards will be great for all stakeholders. We look forward to your continued support and patronage of EastWest Bank. Thank you very much.
EastWest Bank is now officially listed at the Philippine Stock Exchange. Congratulations and many long years of prosperity, success, and world-class performance to EastWest Bank. On behalf of EastWest Bank, we thank you for honoring us with your presence on this historic day.
We're very happy with the enthusiastic response that we've gotten from investors, both here and abroad. So I think that gives us a lot of encouragement, and we as an institution, we've also always aspired to be a listed company. So today is an important day for us. So we would like to thank everybody that have supported us to this day, and we'll continue to support us in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Tony Makuba.
I just want to say thank you to all of you. And one point can help it in business is we need to communicate what we're up to. And I think that the media and particularly has been most helpful for EastWest, and we promise you that we'll continue to be likewise accessible to all of you, and to the extent that we need to respond to your questions, to clarify issues in the public, we will do that. Especially now that we are publicly listed, I think it is our duty to inform our investors and the general public of what's happening in EastWest Bank. Thank you in the past, and I will be looking forward again, of course, to working with you closely. Our intention is essentially to remain a consumer and mid-market focused bank. So our priorities will continue to be not the big corporation, but rather it's mostly on the medium-sized, the SMEs or the middle market, as we like to call it. So the ratio is, we like to have a 40-40-20 loan portfolio split among salary note, which is also a personal loan. And when the middle markets, we're referring to corporations that are not in the top 1,000 for company, relatively smaller. But we still need a portion to be allotted to the big corporates, simply because we have to make sure that the risk profile of the loan portfolio is such that it could withstand the vagaries of the business cycle. That's what we don't want, is a boom and bust balance sheet that will do good when times are well and will collapse when times are bad. So part of the risk management consideration. Likewise, we need to cater to the other markets. Let me also say that while that's the focus, it's not saying that we won't be into the other businesses. We will soon have, we'll put up investment banking desk, because we will now be allowed to do that. We will still be strong in treasury. We think that's a way that we understand. Distribution or the fixed income distribution is one of the businesses that we know. But in terms of emphasis, it will predominantly remain a consumer and mid-market focused bank. To make sure that the reputation of our mother company, which have been painstakingly built for more than 50 years, is protected. And the only way we can do that is we have to maintain that we always do things with a strategic view of the long term.